In today's video, we're answering the question, do I need a business bank account for my LLC? We're going to cover why there is a very clear answer for this, but there are some intricacies. We'll talk about why you guys should have a business bank account. And yeah, if you're looking for a business bank account, we'll have our favorite ones down below in the description. Novo and Mercury are business bank accounts that I personally use for my businesses. They have some exclusive deals set up for our audience. If you guys do use our links, it'll help support the channel and make free videos like this possible. So I do want to say thank you so much in advance. Okay, so the quick answer to this question is yes, you should have a business bank account for your LLC, but I will say that you are not required to have one. However, if you talk to any expert out there, they're likely going to recommend that you definitely separate your personal from your business banking. So if you guys have a sole proprietorship or an LLC, then like I said earlier, you are not technically required to have a separate business banking account. However, most people that do have a business are going to have a business banking account. I'd say that more people that have a sole proprietorship actually don't have a business banking account, but when it comes to an LLC, I think it's extremely important. If you're watching this video, you probably already have an LLC. You understand what the benefits are for having that limited liability protection. And as a result, you probably understand that you don't want to mix your personal with your business, because doing so can pierce that corporate veil and potentially get you in some trouble if your business does get sued. So let's talk about all the different reasons why it makes a lot of sense for you as an LLC owner to have a separate business banking account. And trust me, I know this because I have a bunch of different companies. I never use my personal bank accounts for my businesses. And once you guys watch the rest of this video, you'll understand exactly why. So the first thing is something that we've already sort of mentioned, but that is it's going to help you protect your limited liability. When you commingle your business and personal financial transactions, then it places you in a situation where if you get sued, it's actually a lot more likely that they can actually come for your personal assets. And really that is one of the biggest benefits of having your LLC in the first place. So for me, having an LLC but not having a separate business bank account is sort of like running a marathon but stopping 100 meters short of the finish line. It doesn't really make any sense. Yes, you can technically use your personal bank account to pay for things in your business or, accept income. But when it comes to bookkeeping, which we'll talk about later, it's going to make it a lot more complicated. And trust me, you guys don't want to do that. So yeah, when it comes to business, protection is key. And that's one big reason why you don't want to use your personal bank account for your business stuff. Okay, so now let's talk about bookkeeping, right? Because having a business bank account is going to make your bookkeeping a lot easier. With any business, you want to track how your business is doing. And with a personal account, it's going to be a lot harder because you're going to have personal expenses and income as well as business expenses and income. Separating these two things becomes pretty complicated. And so I think it always makes a lot of sense just to have that separate business account where you can track your business income, your business expenses, and that's going to help you be able to create monthly profit and loss statements. You'll also be able to know that everything within your business account is going to be tax deductible, at least it should be. And so in the case of an audit, the IRS will be able to say, okay, these are all business expenses, these are all business income. There's nothing personal in this account, which is good. As a business owner, also paying your taxes and paying the right amount of taxes falls upon you and your accountant. But having your own business bank account, you know exactly how much profit your business has. You'll know the gross income, the expenses. And so it's really going to make it a lot easier for you to know exactly how much tax you have to pay. Trust me, you guys, you don't want to get in trouble with the IRS when it comes to your tax bill. Definitely make sure you're paying the right amount. Also, when you guys are doing business, another big pro of having a business banking account is that when you actually interact with clients or when you send an invoice, it looks kind of weird to have them actually pay your personal account. So you definitely want to have a business checking account with your business name on it for your clients to actually pay you. And this also translates to your checks, right? If you have a personal bank account and you're using that to pay vendors or you're having people pay that account, your name is just going to show up on that check, which does not look professional. Also, having a business banking account actually opens up this whole new world of business banking. Another big pro when it comes to having a business bank account is that it allows you to start building business credit. With business credit, you can take out loans, you can get business credit cards, and essentially you can leverage a lot more money using your business name, not just your personal name. You guys might also be thinking, what is the difference between a personal bank account and a business bank account? There really are not too many differences feature-wise, but the main big thing is that separation from your personal and your business. And the great thing is that there are so many business banking accounts out there that have zero fees, zero minimum deposits. And that's why, in my opinion, it always makes sense to have a business bank account. You can also open up business credit cards that are tied to your business bank account. We'll have a list of some of our favorite cards down below as well. But yeah, essentially, because of business credit cards, I've been able to travel free for the last few years. You can rack up a ton of free points just by spending money within your business. And yeah, business credit cards, they're great. So yeah, basically that was a long-winded answer for the question, do I need a business bank account for my LLC? The answer in summary is yes, you should have one. There are so many benefits to having a business banking account, which just doesn't make any sense to use your personal. And yeah, just trust me. Trust me, guys, you will regret using a personal bank account for your business sometime in the future. So you might as well sign up for a business bank account today. Again, we're going to have two of our favorite business bank accounts down below in the description, Novo and Mercury. These are two fantastic options for any small business owner. Anyways, thank you so much for your time. I hope you guys got some value from this video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe for more content just like this. Everything we make on this channel is free content helping you to start and grow your business. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.